this is the CNC part of the operation. We're going to form a round end on the end of the bar to make the end of your screwdriver handle. This is the G&N code at the top here that drives the CNC machine. And these controls on the right will control the view and the rate at which the simulation runs. So I've turned that down to about quarter speed, and we'll run that through now. So you can see we're parting off, removing any extra material that might be there, so that it's exactly at 18 millimeters, and then you can see it's forming the that round end. And a finishing cut to finish. So this is the CNC part of the handle. We're going to form a round end on this piece of aluminium that we've turned down to 18 millimeters. The program's loaded. It's called Handle End. So don't try and load and run anything else. You'll get a different product. We're ready to start. You click on Cycle Start on here to run the program through to the machine. And that should position itself, I think it's 30 millimeters above the center. Okay. So facing off first. And then it will do some parallel turning, but there isn't anything to turn there because we've already turned that down to the right size. So it should start to do its that's the final cut. We might make one more cut after that. That's it. Okay, cool.